trying to touch it, I was peeping it out. She turned around and was trying to put my dick in the mouth. I let her.
lũ tù có tàu nắng ấy cụ theo linh trần chỉ chia theo nắng ấy cụ theo cụ gì cụ yo tu ua đi chia cụ yo tu phê